The HIWONDER ROS2 Robot Car Kit is built on the advanced Raspberry Pi 5 and ROS2 platform, making it an excellent choice for those interested in efficient AI processing and a variety of robotic applications. With its multimodal large AI model and voice interaction capabilities, this robot car supports intelligent conversations and flexible task execution, enhancing human-machine interactions. Equipped with a 2 degree of freedom high-definition camera, the kit offers features like first-person view video feedback, object recognition, and autonomous driving, ideal for creative AI projects. The TurboPi's robust metal chassis and Mecanum wheels allow for full 360-degree omnidirectional movement, enabling it to adapt smoothly to diverse scenarios. Comprehensive Python source code and detailed learning resources are provided, which are invaluable for mastering AI and programming while fostering innovation. Designed for teens, this open-source DIY robot kit encourages exploration in AI and programming through hands-on experience and experimentation.